I will start by saying that we do this probably once a week. Would you say, Jordan? Yeah, once a week, sometimes twice, sometimes 3 times. It started in the very beginning of quarantine. I was like, I need crab. So Jordan learned how to perfect the crab. We came up with the sauces. Oh my God, here it comes. And now I'm gonna eat on camera. I'm like combining my favorite things, YouTube and crab. Oh my God, can you see?
Move these bowls.
I'm like not even helping you because I'm so excited. You see the facial? Oh my God, it smells so good. These are humongous.
Damn, boy, he's thick.
They're too hot to crack right now though.
Yeah, maybe I should grab a beer.
Grab a beer.
George!
So we is going to eat crab today. Okay, so this is actually my suckant. Hold on. The Office reference, no one's gonna get it. Okay, so this is actually my second mukbang ever on my channel. The first one that I ever did was with James Charles, and now I'm collaborating with this guy right here. Love of my life. Yeah. More seasonings, hashtag Farnham. So if you want to see how he prepared all this sauces, rice, crab, at home for yourself, fresh, I will link his information right here. You can click and he is uploading his video on his channel of us making this together on his channel so you can see exactly how to do it. We're gonna answer a bunch of your questions you guys asked on my Instagram and Twitter and dive in. I know I am so hungry that I'm borderline hangry and I'm kind of just acting like I'm in a good mood, but really I'm like, let's get into it. They're gonna judge me so hard, you know, because I'm wearing gloves. I get really in there. I like dip everything in and it gets stuck under my fake nails and I can smell it for days and it's really gross, so.
I think it's hot personally, but. Okay, so we have king crab, we have snow crab, and we have something called red giant. Never tried the gigantor, but.
Can you guys see how big this is? Like, this is like snow crab right here. Can you see the difference? Like in one leg, compare. Oh my God, it's pissing everywhere. That is disgusting.
Ooh. Okay,
See,
first pull.
Okay.
Sauced up, bossed up, glossed up.
Hold on. Oh,
whoa!
I don't want to get that right. It doesn't crack like, there we go.
There it is.
It doesn't crack like snow though.
Yo, these things are raining down. All right, I'm gonna try it. No sauce, no butter, just to see the flavor of the crab.
Yeah, that's what I want to know. I'm very picky. I like snow only. So let's see. Like, I don't like Alaskan King. Really?
Mm-hmm.
Did you put the whole thing in your mouth? Okay, big fat piece.
It's like little tendons, but it is sweet.
It has a fishier taste than snow crab though. I prefer snow over this, but this is good. What's more expensive, snow or this?
Oh, this. Like, you want a Lambo or you want this big ass crab?
Snow is better than this.
You think so?
Mm-hmm. People are probably gonna talk so much crap about me.
No, I don't think so. I
no,
mean, these
not
are just
because
like,
of that. I was gonna say how much I drink water.
Bring them out, bring them out, bring them out. It's hard to yell.
That looks like a.
Probably the most demasculating thing I've ever experienced. All right, so I have to say, Jaclyn makes the sauce right here, certified slapper.
So I show you guys how to make that sauce over on his channel, which I have linked for you guys.
Oh my God.
I just searched like Cajun crab boil sauces and I got a ton of different recipes and I made a few of them and then I just kind of like combined it. Like I didn't find one that I genuinely loved. So I just kind of like combined and made it my own. And honestly, this is where it's at. Because I can't do anything too spicy, but this definitely has a kick and it's very Cajun. God, that snow crab. Okay, so before diving into questions, let's talk about what we have. We have rice.
Arroz.
Garlic butter? We have a garlic butter. We have a lemon butter, and then we have my Cajun sauce right here. So like whatever you're in the mood for, we have it all because I can't decide on one when I'm eating. I want to be able to like dip my crab into all different sauces so I get a different flavor every single time.
Yeah, exactly.
I can't commit to just one flavor the entire time. I get bored.
This literally is like the size of a cow part. Like this.
You gotta start getting dirty. You just start dipping and getting dirty.
Well, you got all the good shit over there. I'm going in.
Let's talk about things that people want us to answer. Since we're eating.
We can double dip, right? We're in love.
We can double dip, baby. We are in love. So I screenshotted the #1 questions from Twitter and Instagram for you guys. Big question is, am I gonna sell merch? Because I keep showing my Jaclyn Cosmetics hoodies recently, and I, as of right now, have, what?
So my sisters.
I have no intention of selling merch at this time. It's something that I do for my team, my friends, and my family, but I do see how high the demand is and the request is. So I am looking into it and I'm thinking about it, but we'll see what happens.
A hard maybe.
A hard maybe.
Hard maybe. I think I unofficially live. I got my own spot. Always have, always will until I'm married.
When's that gonna be?
The question was, do I officially live with you? The answer is no, I don't officially live with you. We spend a lot of time together.
All day, every day, and all night, every night.
Yeah.
When was the last time we went one night away from each other other than when I had to go to LA?
Would you look at that crab?
But he does have a really, really, really nice apartment that he...
No, I got a great apartment. It's honestly, at this point, it's just like a waste of money. I'm just like throwing money away, but it is what it is. You know, it's all about principle. I unofficially live with her, yeah.
Oh, that was juicy. That looked really good. Okay, so who do the dogs love more? This is a real thing.
I mean, I know the answer.
Lolly loves Jordan way more than me.
Lolly's the best.
Tipsy and Georgie, they love me the most. No questions asked. Would we ever move out of Tampa? I wouldn't.
Both of our families, our entire families are here, and I don't think I could leave my family.
I couldn't leave my family. Wait, I have a question because I saw someone ask this. Does your family like me?
Does my family like you?
Yeah.
Oh, they love you. They just love me more.
Does it ever bother me being older than Jordan? No, absolutely not. Because honestly, anyone who meets us is gonna think that Jordan's older than me. He's so much more mature than me. I'm such an idiot. Like, I'm such a child at heart. There's yeah, that never ever happens. Like, Jordan understands the business side of things more than I do. Like, no. But when he gets drunk, which is honestly 2 or 3 times a year, everyone is like, oh, there's his age. There it is. Because he gets so silly and immature and goofy when he's drinking. But other than that, absolutely not. He's very mature for his age for sure.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome. Georgie was trying to steal my spotlight as I was gonna crack this. Hold on. Peel that out.
Oh.
Crack the side. Rip that off.
Okay.
Oh, I cracked in the wrong spot. She still got it, bitch! Crack the end.
Round of applause.
Right here. Next.
I can do that, and it's totally food appropriate. It takes her longer to pee than it does to poop.
This is so embarrassing! This is the most talked about thing with my friends and family and team, and no one needed to know that, but here we are. That's why Sarah calls me the Rocket. I don't have time to waste. I got shit to do. Literally.
What the?
I would say something about you that a lot of people don't know is how sensitive you are.
Oh, yeah.
Jordan is extremely soft
I
and
am
sensitive.
allergic to everything.
He's so sweet and just like soft, and anytime anything like special happens and he like gives a toast, he always cries.
Okay.
He makes the sweetest face. It's happening right now. That's actually kind of what it looks like though. Don't what the me. But what I love about him is he is that way even around his friends. Like when I first started dating him, at first, like I knew Jordan before we started dating.
Yeah, like you didn't know anything.
So there was
about
no
me.
softness, no sensitivity. He was just Farnham and that was it.
My name is Farnham.
But then we started dating, I saw this really soft side to him and I was like, whoa, this is so like different and weird. And then we were around his friends and it never went away. Like he was very, very soft and sensitive and sweet around his friends too. So I was like, oh my God, like he's like this towards me all the time. That's like my favorite thing about you, but also something that no one would know unless they know you in person.
I love the people that I love, and it's, you know, if it's...
And it's me.
It's Jaclyn. That's it. I don't even need to finish it.
Okay. I know a lot of people want to hear about our first kiss.
First kiss.
Do you remember our first kiss?
Yeah, we cried.
We're so lame! Oh my God, we're so lame! We also cried the first time we said I love you.
Cried.
We were sitting on my couch and we kissed and then Jordan started uncontrollably shaking. He was so nervous, he was like, and I was like, what's going on? And his whole body was like trembling. And I was like, what's happening? And he's like, I'm just cold. And then later he was like, I was so nervous. I've never shaken like that in my life.
We cried. I don't know.
The first time we said I love you. That's another one that I saw.
We're sitting out back, like I had a beer, you were chilling, we were just listening to music, and I was like, I think I need to tell you something.
Oh
She's
my
like-
God, I'll never forget this.
She
And the
goes-
way we were positioned.
I know. She's like, I think I need to tell you something too. And I was like, I love you. And then she's like, and then we both started crying.
Okay, so side note, I just want you guys to know the way I eat this. I crack and peel my crab. I put it on my plate, and then I grab a bunch of the sticky rice, and then with my gloves, I mix the whole thing together. Then I take the lemon sauce, the garlic butter sauce, and the Cajun sauce, and I pour it on. I can mix it up like mush, and then I just eat it like this with my hands. Because if you only eat crab and nothing else, it takes so much crab to get you full. When you mix
That's
it with
true.
the rice,
It's true.
it gives you that carb and you get full faster.
Okay, so I gotta do a food review real quick. Ready? Food review by More Seasoning. The gigantic crab looks great on camera, but I will say flavor is subpar versus the snow crab and the smaller king crab.
I agree.
There's not really any sweetness to it. The snow crab is
It
sweet.
tastes more like the sea.
The snow crab, A1.
I'm
Next.
already starting to get full. Holy crap.
Oh
I'm already
God.
feeling it. You're not full yet?
Whoa.
That's a no.
I can't even get up there.
Where? I'm like, whoa!
Hell no. All right, I'm gonna open my mouth, but you do it so it sounds like it's coming
Okay,
from
go.
me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What would your death row meal be?
Honestly, probably this. Like if I was like
This?
dying and I had one last meal ever, it would either be this or your scallop risotto.
For real? I mean, I'll take it as a compliment, but
Or maybe like an A5 Wagyu beef,
that's better.
rare, Oscar style with the béarnaise.
Ooh. My death row meal would probably be, if I'm gonna be real, like a good southern freaking fried chicken with some mashed potatoes, gravy, some hot sauce.
Collard greens, collard greens.
Collard greens, that would be fire. I'm trying to think if there's like, if they're like, hey, all the chickens are dead on earth, then I'd probably go with probably like an A5 steak for sure.
Oh no.
Yeah.
But that's a good meal.
Which
Mashed
one?
potatoes and gravy.
Yeah, you can't beat that. Especially if the fried chicken's done right. I don't think either of us are jealous. However, I am like territorial. Like I'm a dog peeing on the fire hydrant. I'm like, hey, yo, it's cool that you want to take a picture with my girl, but you're like a 45-year-old guy with a grizzly beard and all your boys are standing right next to you like,
I was gonna say me.
oh, all right.
You think you really?
Yeah, you're hot.
Well, so are you.
Yeah, but you're
I get
hot.
comments all the time and tweets all the time like, I know why Jaclyn's with him. Oh my God, he's so sexy and he can cook. And I'm like, so fussy.
Slamming the crab hammer.
No, I'm not fussy. I'm like, I know, right? But still, I'm like,
You send them nudes. I'm like, yo.
oh, stop it. Oh my God. Oh, here you go, because I don't want this one. Oh my God. Your dramatic reaction.
Yeah, no, that was hardcore. It was right in the eyeball.
In the eyeball.
Oh, bring the babies on. I'll handle all 3 of their asses. Let's go, kids. 1, 2, 3. Get in the car. Come on. Oh, you all shit your pants at the same time? Done. Let's go. Even if she checked out, if she was like, I just can't function, like I need some time, I would just be like, give me the boob, give the kid the boob, I'll run it. Let me know when you're ready to tag back in. I got it.
I know you would be like that, and I really hope that I don't have to carry triplets. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
There's days where I've woken up and there's literally like foot and ankle.
Like I literally like beg him to get up before me so I can just have like 1 hour of good sleep because I require an entire king size bed. I sprawl so hard, fully in the middle, and my dogs kind of crowd around me.
But the kicker is,
And listen, I had a single life before he came in, so I got very used to my routine with my dogs and my king size
well,
bed.
hold on. The kicker is like I'm not a sprawler. I'm literally.
He
I'm like
sleeps perfectly like this.
I'm like a centipede on the edge of the bed. Like I hang over and hold the edge of the
He does.
bed. It's just like, how much more space do you need?
We need to get a custom bed one day. That's next on the list.
I owned a video production company. I still do. And one Christmas, she got me like my dream camera, and I was able to just generate so much business and just create like awesome stuff. Like every More Seasoning episode you see is filmed on that camera. So I would say most impactful gift you've ever given me is dependent from my brother's death anniversary. I'm like choking up.
Don't cry. See, look how sensitive he is. Oh.
I've gotten you some badass gifts.
Got me some badass gifts, but there's two that stand out the most. The pendant that he got me with a photo of me and my dad in it. My dad passed away actually almost 1 year ago. His anniversary to his death is this month. That was very emotional. But the other one, it was all about the presentation.
Oh, it was
for my birthday 2 years ago. And it was a humongous box with chains all around it. And I had to answer questions about our relationship to crack the code. And I had to he asked me questions and it was like number 1 through 6 and I had to get it right. And then I had to put in all the digits in order to open it. And then I opened it and then it was another box and another box and another box. And I had to keep answering questions. And when I got down, it was a box like this big and it was a diamond necklace that says the worst. And it's so funny because I wear it and people are like, the worst, what does that mean? But when him and I first started dating, I would give him such a hard time about things and he'd always go, you're the worst.
And then I told her one day, I was like, I'm gonna buy you a diamond necklace that says the worst.
And he's like, and that way everyone will know wherever you go, that you are the worst. Cause I would just always talk so much crap to him in a flirty way. And he's like, you're the worst. And the way he gave it to me, my friends and family were like, all right, well, you just set the bar really, really high.
We pulled up to a Taco Bell one night. It was 2 a.m. We ordered a bunch of food. We sat inside the car and she ate a cheesy, or no, not cheesy.
It was a cheesy Gordita Crunch.
No, it was the Octagon, the Crunchwrap Supreme. It's Crunchwrap Supreme. She ate it, couldn't find her mild sauce anywhere, so she just had a mouthful of Crunchwrap Supreme, ripped the mild sauce, and just went into her mouth. And I was like, but she had full glam on, diamonds, dope outfit, and I was just like, wow.
Weeks later, he was like, when you did that, I was like, damn, I love her.
It's true. I mean, that's lit.
And here I am, 30 pounds later. Oh my goodness, is it still lit? You still like the shit? Anyways, that's it for this video, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed Jordan and I's mukbang here on my channel. The way that he's sitting right now with his hands. Look at his hands. They're like
crusty crab. Whoa!
If you want to see how to actually make all of this food, all the sauces, the rice, the crab, and you can make this yourself at home without going out to a restaurant.
Wow.
And it is literally a quarter of the cost, honestly. Now when I go out to eat at restaurants, I'm like, this crab is garbage. I never order crab out anymore because it just is not as good. They don't seam it right. It's tough. It doesn't have as much flavor. They don't have the right dipping sauces. And this is literally a quarter of the cost. So if you wanna see how we make this and all that, head over to More Seasoning.
Whoa!
This man's channel right here. Don't forget to subscribe and like his video on his channel.
Oh, that's
this is
love.
our first ever collaboration. Of course, I love you the most.
Thanks,
More than
baby.
anyone in the entire world.
Thanks, babe.
That's it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video and I will see you in the next one.